If you're looking for a new project for your analog bag, this is it. And it will cost you next to nothing, because you probably already have everything you need. You won't even need one of these fancy green rulers. All you'll need is a sketchbook with unlined pages, or a notebook with lined paper is fine too. A pencil, a black pen or a marker, a glue stick, and scissors. You'll also need some colored pencils.
I'm going to show you how to make an easy and fun collage by upcycling your coloring books. Some coloring books have full-page illustrations, but often they have small motifs, like teacups or flowers, which are perfect to cut out for collages. When I started doing this, I realized I could organize the artwork by theme, like animals or nautical. I could also mix in other paper scraps, like completed coloring page art, watercolor drawings, vintage clip art, bookmarks, and postcards. Poetry and illustrations from old books are fun to include. Project Gutenberg is a great resource for free printables. And finally, some blank colored paper for backgrounds. I will be testing my new Prang Groove colored pencils today. For this collage, I have chosen some flowers, a girl with a rainbow, a poem, some butterflies, and a watercolor tree. Let's get started.